Welcome admin users, and thanks for joining me as we review how to enter a scheduling note for a student in focus. Now, you may have already noticed some students at your school with this icon. What that means is that there's been a note entered, and you need to review that prior to scheduling them for the upcoming school year. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into Focus and pull up a student so that you can follow along. Once you have a student pulled up, you have two areas you can enter the note, either under the graduation status or the counselor notes tab. You can utilize the filter text box that lets you quickly navigate to your desired tab. Once you find the scheduling/course request note field, go ahead and enter in your note and save. While not required, it can help you when you're looking back at this at a later date. If you include your initials and the date, simply hovering over the icon allows you to view the note. If you have any questions about the use of this icon or others that you may see, go ahead and check out our SIS manual homepage and review the focused icon reference document. This is going to give you all that information. Our programmers have created a district report that allows you to quickly view all students at your school that have a scheduling note. My final tip of the day is for those of you that are utilizing the elementary scheduler. Be sure to select Show Alert Icons. That way, you'll see students in all of the icons, including this one we discussed today. Thanks again for joining me, and be sure to notify us if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in the future.